sunnier than most days. You'll never see the sky if you keep looking down. And if you take the wrong way, then maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're holding your hand. You can find beauty in the night too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going? Nowhere, afraid of all the things you don't know. There's so many reasons you should care.
You remind me of the perfect summer day, but only in picture frames. Cause I was picking up the pieces when the rain washed us away. You had me all alone. I was drowning in your awkward silence. I feel loosening the chains around my neck, but it makes no difference. Hey, I was looking at a photograph from before you left, reminding me of places we used to go, but it makes no difference. Hey, and if I could rewind the time when you were mine, it wouldn't cover up all the scars you left, cause it makes no difference. We were chilling on the West Coast in LA, but it was a Monday, and I was dreaming of the perfect getaway, but all you wanted was to get away from me. All alone, I was drowning in your awkward silence. I feel loosening the chains around my neck, but it makes no difference. Hey, I was looking at a photograph from before you left, reminding me of places we used to go, but it makes no difference. Hey, and if I could rewind the time when you were mine, it wouldn't cover up all the scars you left, cause it makes no difference. Hey, and I was thinking about Jack and Jill and the fairy tale. Oh, Jack would follow her down the rolling hills, but it makes no difference. Hey, and even if it's all pretend and it's in my head, it's not the way the story was gonna end, so it makes no difference. No, it makes no difference.